Hello everyone, so you would like to do a marriage in Crusader Kings 3. It is a pretty easy thing to do, and this is how you do it. First of all, you find the character that you would like to marry or that you would like to interact with. In this case I have it here. It is my son in game, and you right click on that person and you can arrange marriage or find a spouse. Arrange marriage is something that you can do it with children, for example. Find spouse is something that allows to marry directly. And let's do that. The guy already has a spouse in this case, and yes, there are certain cultures and religions that allow multiple wives. In this case, I would like a wife. Let's do someone of the same faith, and this lady. You click here, and once you've done that, if you unpause and you let the guy respond, and yes, it looks like they approved. The liege of that person approved the marriage, and as you can see, it is now here. This person and this other one are now married. That is how you do a marriage in Crusader Kings 3.